Introducing the Weather app. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another project showcase. Now in this video, I'm going to be showcasing my weather app. And yes, all the data is correct. Don't go telling people, hey, this isn't working or this is horrible. I'm going to delete it or anything else that's along those lines. Now if you want to try this out, the link will be down below. So go check it out. Alright, without further ado, let's try this out. So, as you can see, I've actually tried out these two things. They stayed there. They stayed there for like the whole time. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test out this area, Kolkata. Kolkata, not Kolkata. That's weird. So Kolkata. Let's try it out. 3, 2, 1. Search. Whoops. Now you can see that the HTML that was here before, just Florida, got replaced by Kolkata. And you can see it's actually capitalized. Now the HTML that was here used to be a few lines. So actually, in order to explain this better, I'm going to refresh this. So yeah, so this is what the HTML which I used to create this project looked like before. It's just 4 lines. It's just 4 hyphens for the title and the type of weather, I guess, like clouds, haze, mist, all that. Then it shows the temperature at that moment, the minimum temperature at during that day, and the max temperature during that day. And you can see that the HTML is replaced. And then you can see that the original HTML is just 2 hyphens and a degree symbol for all of them. So let's just test this out. You've already seen how I did it. So you can see that HTML with 4 hyphens is now gone and is replaced by Kolkata. Now the HTML with 4 hyphens for this that shows the weather condition outside, like clouds, haze. Yeah, I've explained it before. So the HTML that was here before, 4 hyphens, is now replaced by haze, which is a normal thing in India, because I've tried this out a few times and it always says haze for this area. Now the temperature, as you can see, is 82.4 degrees, and I am guessing that that is Fahrenheit and not Celsius. So for you guys out there, this is gonna be a bit confusing for you, because we at America, we use, well, especially Florida, we use the Fahrenheit method. Other areas that are not counted as America will use Celsius, which I am not very familiar with. I know a few stuff about it, but other than that, temperature is the way to go for me. Like the Fahrenheit, that's the way to go for me. So as you can see, I've wondered sometimes, why is it like this? It's actually always like this. It never changes for some reason. Sometimes it does, but mostly just a small change, which is pretty weird. So usually this would stay like 80, maybe like 79, and this could be like 84. So for you Indians out there who are living in Kolkata, I think it's broken for you, so sorry. But the rest is fine. So you can see that the temperature in Kolkata, I'm not exactly sure whether it's correct or not, so sorry about that. Again, is 82 degrees 0.4, so 82.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The minimum temperature is the same exact thing, and the max temperature is the same amount. Now, you can actually see that these also got, these used to be just 2 hyphens and a degree symbol. Now, instead of those 2 hyphens, it shows a number with a decimal point and another number after the decimal point. So yeah, now let's just try out some other things because I'm pretty curious. Since I live in America, I have no idea what's going on in other areas. So what about, what about London? London's a good one. Let's try that. So London. Oop, London. London. There we go. London's entered in. Right. So now it says London as usual. Kolkata is replaced by London because of the HTML. It always refreshes. Then the clouds. So it used to be haze. Now it's clouds. And now you can see that it starts working. So the temperature that is at London right now is 56. So wow, is it freezing there. Us Floridians here, no, we don't experience that kind of temperature. The lowest it's been is like 75, and that's pretty hot for us. I mean, pretty cool for us. Imagine if you were used to all the hot weather here, and then you just go on to like New York, and you just start freezing there, and everyone's like, "Excuse me, but you're not supposed to be wearing 12 jackets at once. The maximum is 1." Yeah, that'll be your reaction. That's how cold. That's how hot it is here. Well, sometimes. And sometimes, every time I open the curtain, it starts pouring. So, yeah. Let's get back on track. So, the temperature, as you can see, is 56 degrees. And if you want a more accurate, it's 56.98 degrees. I think that's Fahrenheit. If that's Celsius, then it's pretty hot there. If it's not, though, then I don't know what those London people are doing. Like, maybe they just be sipping on a hot chocolate. Just now, the minimum temperature, as you can see, is 55. So it looks like you don't actually. So basically, this is the approximate amount, not exact, but approximate. So that basically means that's the estimated temperature for minimum. So that's pretty cold already. Now the maximum temperature just goes by 4 degrees higher. So it's 4 degrees higher than the minimum temperature. And that's not a lot. So if it's like 60 degrees out there, it's still pretty cold. So if you guys who are watching this video are traveling to London, please wear 12 jackets. I would highly recommend it if you live in a very hot state. For example, Florida. Because it's super hot here. Yeah. So you can see that it actually functions well. It is amazing. I would definitely use this. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's try out a few more things. So we've tried out, you guys know about the coronavirus, right? Yeah, most of you do. So what about we search up somewhere in China? So actually, I just want to show you what happens if I search up maybe like a country. So for example, North America. So North America, which is where I live because Florida is in the United States of America and the United States of America is in North America. So yeah. Right? Let's start. Wait a second. Oh wow. That actually works? Whoa. This is shocking. I never knew it actually worked. I thought it didn't work. I mean, I've tried it before. Well, that's a new perk for you guys. So now you can, so now it looks like the weather thing that I used has been updated. Because it used to say undefined. But what about continent? So, Asia. This is outrageous. This is outrageous. Oh wow. So now, so now it looks like there's no more of that undefined stuff. Now it looks like you can just search up anything. Hey, any city. Wait a second. Yep, it works. So now it looks like you can search up anything you want. So the reason why I searched up Miami is because I am living somewhere in, well, I'm definitely living in Florida, it's like Tampa. I'm living in Tampa right now. Miami is like the southern state, so you can see it's pretty hot out there. But wow, I never knew that. So that's amazing. So for you guys out there who want to test this out, you can type up anything. And by anything I mean anything, but like by state, city, countries, continents now. Like Asia's a continent. I searched that up. It showed some results. I would say you're good with this. I mean, your local weather forecast doesn't say so in Asia it is gonna be, oh yeah, I forgot we don't do that. Alright, so for Florida it will be 78.9 degrees Fahrenheit. No. You use this and you're good. You're good. I don't know how this happened. Maybe it's like a miracle because I'm creating this video and I want it to be good, I guess. And now I can say it's good. So, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy this. Well, I'm still so shocked. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this weather app. That will be in the link down below. And without further ado, goodbye. Bye-bye. See you later. And have a good day or night. I do not know where you're living. Bye.